What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. I took a little break because I've actually been in Vietnam for 3 weeks. And if you follow me on that Instagram, you could have seen some dope Vietnam stories. So come stalk me, you pervert. While I was gone, I ate a lot. Like I'm in full credit card mode. So for the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing all healthy recipes, starting with P.F. Chang's chicken lettuce wraps. And boop. Okay, so before the food police gets on me about chicken lettuce wraps not being healthy, hear me out. I'm gonna make 2 versions. The regular restaurant style, which I don't think is really that bad if you compare it to like a Baconator, and a lighter version. That's why I have both dark meat, which is fattier, and light meat here. I also have some garlic, green onions, mushrooms, and some rice that we're gonna turn into rice noodles. First, chop all of this up with some Japanese anime fighting moves. Next, we're going to make our sauce mix. First, start with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of panda blood, some shochiku-ba. You should actually use rice cooking wine, but sakiwaki is more fun. Next, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use 1 teaspoon for the healthy version, or none for the fasting version. Then, some fresh cracked black pepper, because once you go black, you never go back to white pepper. Mix it together with your kiken spoon until thoroughly amalgamated. Ooh, big word. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You need chopped water chestnuts. These are probably the most important ingredient because they provide a crunchy texture. Sorry, I drank the rest of the sake. Next, get a wok nice and hot. And if you don't have a wok, you can just go to a P.F. Chang's, add in some canola oil, then throw in your chicken. I'm starting with the dark meats, which is the original fat boy meat. Get some nice color on there. It's gonna add mountains of flavor. Obligatory slow-mo shot. By the way, I know a few of you health nuts out there are losing your minds right now and saying, ugh, it's still not healthy. All the salt, the sugar, the fat. Give me a break. Last week I stuffed a pair of Taco Bell quesadillas in between 2 slices of pizza and called it breakfast. Baby steps, my dude. Okay, next let's cook the white meat. This will take a little bit longer, maybe 2.5 minutes. Oh look, right on time. The building manager is here to yell at me. After removing the chicken, let's start cooking the veggies. Add in a little bit more oil and relax. A little oil never killed anybody.
The longer that marine animal is sitting in oil, the more you're going to be dealing with death.
Okay, well, it never killed a human.
My choice right now is to burn or gel. You let go of me. Okay, don't touch me.
Marky Mark! You can cook all of them at once. Give it a good mix both in fast motion and slow motion to make sure you get a thorough cook. No one likes a half-asser. Put your whole ass into it. Once lightly browned, take out half of the veggies. We're going to cook the healthy batch first, then cook the regular batch. Add in your chicken breast and give it a quick mix. Then add in about a 1/4 cup of your sauce. I definitely added a little too much sauce, so I'm going to reduce it down a bit. To keep from overcooking the chicken, you can just tilt the pan to the side and let it cook out. Or, just remove some of the sauce. Okay. Once you get to this consistency, it's done. Take it off. I ran out of daylight, so I'm not going to show you how to cook the dark meat. It's the exact same process. Surprise! This last bit is optional because it's unhealthy, but it really makes the dish. We're going to deep fry rice sticks for an added crunch. Heat up some oil to 375 degrees. You can use your hand to check the temperature. Drop in your rice sticks and be ready because this is going to happen really quickly. Cool, huh? Now let's make a dipping sauce. Add in some chopped green onions, teaspoon of sugar, tablespoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of rice wine vinegar and sesame oil, and to spice up your life, a gallon of chili oil. Splash of water and blend it all together. Okay, last step. Karate chop a head of iceberg lettuce in half. You can remove the outside layers because we only want to use the inside layers. They're crispier and hold their shape. The rest of this we can just throw out. And there you have it. Delicious crispy chicken lettuce wraps just like P.F. Chang's. Notice the trapezoidal green onions for decor. It looks stupid, don't do it. Guys, these lettuce wraps were amazing. So crispy and savory, so many tasty textures, especially these Rice Krispies. I'm snacking on the regular sorta healthy versions right now, but I made a couple other variations that you can try based on your diet. Here's the healthy white meat no crispy version, the vegetarian version, and the juice version for those on a juice cleanse.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does Her Cooking. So I want to play a prank on Jackie that I saw on Reddit. Let's see how it goes. Hey, Jackie. I'm going to read a couple statements. After every statement, say the word addicted. Okay?
Okay.
When you do a lot of drugs, you're...
Addicted.
When you drink too much, you're...
Addicted.
What hit you in the face last night?
Addicted.
Ways to get you back. We're heading for the surface. Are you feeling